Welcome to another tutorial on how to blur background in Photoshop. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Open Photoshop and import the image you want to work on. Duplicate the background layer by right-clicking and choose Duplicate Layer. Separate the subject from the background, and here is one of the best methods to use. Choose the second layer, go to the lasso tool and create a kind of selection around the subject. After creating a selection around the subject, follow this process. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Go to Filter, choose Blur, and then the Lens Blur. You can play with the radius to increase or decrease the depth of the blur you want. Unhide the first layer, and then you have successfully blurred the background of this image. Now let's make some final color correction to the image by following this process. Thank you for watching. Here is how you can blur a background of any image using Photoshop.